My name is Shweta. I am from Karimnagar. I have joined Spiders after completing my Bachelor's of Engineering. So I have taken some courses like SQL, Python and Web Development. My Python is taken by Santosh sir and SQL is by Sanjay sir. And then my Web.TECH is done and then my ma'am is Reshma ma'am. And after that I took React.js by Shivanand sir, and overall it's a good experience in participating in the grooming session which are conducted by the Pyspiders, and I have participated every grooming session, and the aptitude sections are also so well. So I have placed in a company